Today, we have a little component as a content creator you really need to have. Oh yeah! Come on then. Welcome back again to this lovely channel. Here we are again. Oh yeah! Sorry. Today, we have a little component that you need when you start being a lovely content creator. Oh yeah! Let's see what we have here. Well, I already know what I have here. Come on then. Echo, turn off office. Still have a light. All right. It's impressive. This tiny little thing can make miracles. Oh my. Wow. This is amazing. Have this tiny button in the back. They press. You can adjust for more. Keep pressing. More light during the night or a very dark place when you are doing work. This is very useful. Really. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 little LED lights here around that you can adjust the way you want, or put it off, turn it 360 degrees, bounce it to the side, like going forward. This is marvelous. This tiny thing, but do miracles. And you have a micro USB port where you can charge it. This is amazing. It's a very useful tool for me to put in my bag once again. If you think it was very useful tip, do one thing for me. Comment below, let me know. Share it with your friends. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Bye! Oh! What was the Oh, I'm falling now. Yoo-hoo! Hello! How you doing? Yeah, we are again. Oh yeah!